Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and we're going to take a look at how to complete task 5, where we're looking at the Venn diagram that you guys are going to be creating to help organize your thinking and your observations and everything that you've made about our 3 different systems. So now that you've explored the systems, you should have a lot of information and questions collected about what you've observed and what you've seen. And now we're going to organize that thinking to help make sense of it, to help us then write our scientific argument so that we can answer that scientific question: do all of these systems that you've created or that have been created in front of you have energy? So it's going to start by you guys clicking on the Venn diagram here. And when you do that, you'll see a link kind of pop up. Go ahead and click on that. You'll automatically be pulled to this make a copy section. And as always, make that copy, okay? Once you've made that copy, you'll see this screen in front of you. And this is where you're going to begin, okay, your organization. So if you notice in our Venn diagram here, we have our 3 systems. We have our solar panel system, our hand crank system, and our battery system. And in our Venn diagram, we have 3 things going on. We have our section here where you're going to double click into it. And you're going to type in the only solar panel observations and questions you have. So these should be things that you've noticed about the solar panel only, and what these observations should apply only to the solar panel. So if you said something like the solar panel moved the fan, well, I'd argue that that might not go there. It might go somewhere else on our Venn diagram. Same with the hand crank, same with the battery. Any observation or questions you have that are specific to those systems, you're going to put into there, and there, okay? If you have an observation or a question that applies to all of them, then it's going to obviously go into the middle of our Venn diagram. If you're somebody who's thinking to yourself, well, what if I have a question or an observation that maybe applies to the solar panel or the crank, but not the battery? Well, that would go in this middle section here. If you have something about the solar panel and the battery, that would go into this middle section here. Then if you had something about the battery system and the hand crank, but not the solar panel, go there. So when you're done, you should hopefully be able to see your observation and questions in the specific sections for the specific systems, okay? When you're done, you'll go through our normal kind of submission steps. You'll hit that shareable link. You'll go to the get link. You'll make sure that the Huntley Community School District 158 selected. You'll hit copy link, and then you'll come back into our activity here, and you'll post your link in this section here, and then you'll be done. Okay, if you have questions, reach out to me. Otherwise,